I see that it's using an outside source for the calendar, so I'm going to change that. It says no third-party tools will be used. Let's see if it changes that in the PRD. So hopefully this works, and if so, then you know to try this. Add in there that you don't want a third party, and let's see. So you see it changed it. Calendar table. Fields include event ID, user ID, foreign key, event date, event description, instead of using a third party. So you know that you can add such type of verbiage into your basically instructions. Now let's, oh, and I took, I forgot what I was doing here. We still got work to do on this. Oh, where was I? Wait a minute. They done shut me down? Oh, I know why I saved that. Agent is paused. Oh, they just made it. New user account features. Okay, never mind. I ain't gonna post that yet. I'll redeploy. I'll redeploy. But first, I'm gonna save this. I might actually use it. Let's see if it was downloaded. Both copies are downloaded. All right, so now let's close it. Yeah, I have an account, but you can't do anything with the account. You can't. So let's see what happens when we redeploy. Well, I could have just went out here and tried it, but my account, yeah, it's a good sign. analysis work. No additional burden on the system, and users get a professional document management experience that encourages account creation and retention. Guess I could have paused this, huh? All right, you guys. So made a lot of updates and improvement. I didn't think y'all want to sit here for all of that. It's pretty much, done the same way that I've shown you everything else is done. But I've made it so there is oh shucks. Hold on. So now you can see there is a place where it's going to store all your PRDs that you run and the executive summaries and the analysis reports. That way, once you do it, you forget what it is, you can go back and look over it without rerunning the domain names and reports and everything. So, all right, so now I'm going to redeploy it again, and I'm going to, I made some other changes and improvements, but I can't remember what all of them were right now. So I'll go to redeploy, put you on pause. All right, I had to redeploy it again. And now let's give it another whirl. Oh, wait a minute. User documents. Now, I have an app idea. Let's try this again. Uh, So let's see what comes up. What I do? I did an app. Failed to generate a quote. Don't tell me they broke it. Cross your fingers. Cross your fingers. Man. Well, I gotta do it again. Now I wonder if I'm being charged, although it's not fully. Oh, I'm doing it too quick. Processing. I tell you what, I would have been thoroughly impressed had this gone off without any kind of issues. Because, I mean, let me see if I can show you. I did a lot of, oh, it ain't even going back. I did a lot of stuff while you guys were going. As you can see, oh, let's see, I don't know. It probably was, might have been 2 o'clock. Might have been before 2 o'clock, before I paused the video. And I haven't stopped. Got up and did a few squats. But I've basically been here improving on things. Now it says it's been working. So let's test it in here first. Should have copied that. Theoretically, it should be. Oh, I'm not signed in though. Oh, I thought it. What did I miss here? Well, I guess I'll pause you. Okay, it says that it should be fine now. Error, just like last time. Don't have time to be messing this up. Put you on pause. Man, some of this is missing, but okay. All right, well, I guess I could explain how this works now. All right, so here, if you don't like what you see, which is what they're going to build the PRD on, then you can add 3 lines to help guide this innovative model photographer connection platform that addresses real user needs through registration and login, email, and password. Profile creation, models and photographers. Now I need it. Okay, so I'm going to add that other um, types of users will also because if it's going to have options for people to categorize themselves, then it needs to know the categories. And right now, I've only said photographers, so it's only saying photographers. So it will leave out those other options if I don't tell it somewhere that, hey, I know I said photographers, but also mean videographers and content creators, brands. Uh, uh, Content creators. Uh, Is there a need for other brands, photographers, videographers? Let's just say videographers. And I could have put. You'll see this also could have been added on the next page as well. Tripping, man. I paused the ad. Why are they talking about it's about to run? Models will be searchable by age, body type. Let's say height. Height. Should we say height? Yeah, let's say height. Age, body type, height, and what else? Age, body type, height. Uh, it's interesting. I should say it would be interesting to say hair length, uh, ethnicity. Let's see. We'll see. We'll see if people are asking for those things later. I'm going to say hair length though. I should say yeah, hair length. Hair style. Yeah, I think that works. People look for specific styles. Uh, and when you come down here, then you'll see other additional. Well, I'm on an app, so I'm not getting that. If this was the business idea and the domain idea, then you would see other app recommendations down here. But there's no need for that here. So, oh, let me. All right. So once you add something here, you need to click this so it can just be integrated, and you'll see your PRD will now be generated with the refined concept. And you see that is included up here, refined version, focusing on other types of users, blah, 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 blah. And it's generate. See if this one works. All right, so now we're putting in some more info. What problem is it solving? Connecting. What am I? Did I go out? Connecting models and people who are looking for them. Giving amateur models or lady, the average lady, a new way to make money online that fits their lifestyle of living on the near the beach and working out often. To the user editor, create accounts, upload photos, uh, photos, uh, provide HTML, YouTube, or other video hosting platform links so video will show um, brands and photographers and content creators will self-identify or categorize themselves will be able to uh, somehow uh, express interest on the app in uh, ladies. Ladies will choose to follow up with number or number. Ladies can also choose to post their Instagram for instant contact as well. Admin will be able to send in app or send notifications. What should the user be able to do? To segmented audiences and individuals. Um, admin will have a dashboard that gives analytics on traffic, uh, revenue, costs from Replit and AI when AI is integrated. I'm missing something. We'll figure it out later. Oh, by the way, yeah, if you miss something, don't panic because you can also tailor this and make improvements and everything once you get into Replit or any other no codes, as far as I know. But the main thing is just so you can give it a lot of framework to go off so it can start in line with what you want. And it may give you other ideas or help you think about some things that you left out. So how does it make money? Subscription. I just put this so I can just check instead of typing. Paid upgrades. Yeah. Mm-mm. Let's see what we get. We're gonna be ready to work now, but we almost out of time. Okay, what we got here? Let's let's put it in and jump it off. First of all, let me. All right, so let's copy the PRD, and I'm also going to download it Now, this is supposed to be saved in the account as well. Let's see something. All right, let's send this in grid. I think I got SendGrid already connected though. Stripe, cloud and area for image hosting and management. Cloud and area. Maybe I use Firebase. Photos are stored with external service integration. Cloud and area. Models and collaborators actively engage, resulting in a successful connection. App loads in under 3 seconds for key operations. How do you know that? It says create manage profiles without error. Alright, let's see. Let's see. Oh, let's see what happens. I'm going to say here, so as you see, it has a lot of relationships with other providers for functionality. Tell me the difference before going past adding a service for file, a service for saving images. Also, that's it. Also, let me know if there is a benefit to adding AI. Well, I'll wait. I'll wait till, because as it's stated right now, we don't really need AI. It's lean and light. Can this be done using Firebase instead of cloud in there, as I already have an account with Firebase? The file upload down operation good impressive. And well part of the broader Firebase ecosystem cause limited image processing capabilities for automatic optimization, resizing, or transformations. No built-in CDN optimization specifically for images. And how to image resize thumbnails manually, less sophisticated delivery. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. You see how it's giving us the difference? Specialized for image video management. Video too? Oh, okay. We're going to have to better performance for image image-heavy applications, automatic format selection based on browser support. Oh, that's good. Cons, additional services set up and manage, potentially higher costs for transformation, heavy usage, more complex integration initially. Now, for the model, crucial. I typically recommend Cloudinary because professional image presentation models need their photos to look their best. Automatic thumbnails for gallery views and profile views. Mobile optimization, different images for different size devices. All right. Uh, how much is Cloudinary? Because I was trying to keep this cheap. And other than API, what do I need? How difficult is it to set up only API or more? What is what is that? Oh, more on Cloudinary. Oh, that's the answer to the question. Very simple, just API. Okay, API keys. Okay, let's use Cloud. Then, Denary. Thanks. Let's go. Let's get it. Oh, what do you want me to do it here? Install the package. Use implementation center. So, full stack React Express application. Oh, y'all waiting on me? I told you let's go. It's on and popping, y'all. Model Connect. Oh, I didn't. Oh, I didn't give it a name. Welcome back, Sarah. I'll, 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 I'll tell it the real name in a minute. 3 years experience. I don't know if I want to put experience. Um, because I want all the ladies, new and experienced, to have the same slate, same starting point. Okay, it's saying in order to do the notifications, I need SendGrid, which is an email service. But I already have Go High Level, so let's see if SMS functionality with Go High Level will provide the same, provide everything I need. But I still might end up using SendGrid, but I'm still curious. Go High Level sub account API work for this. Initial version complete. Let's see. I thought I had SendGrid in here anyway. I know I use it for something. This thing says exactly what do you want to do with Go High Level. It's overkill. I know it's overkill. You don't have to use everything. All right, so we have, yeah, I already have SendGrid, so no big deal. Although it's just a free trial, but that gives us time enough to see if it's worth it or not. One integration, let's do another. I already have an AWS account. So you mean to tell me all right, let me put y'all on. All right, all right, y'all. So this is where you take your, as you can see, they will give you a place to put your API keys. I mean, yeah, API key or token if you let it. But if you ask it another question or whatever, then it's going to escape you. And all you got to do is come over here to the left, click on All Tools, scroll down, find Secrets, and that's going to bring up all of your spaces for API keys. Now you have app secrets and you have account secrets. I create everything for the app instead of the entire account. And which you may or may not want to do, like especially if you plan on selling these apps or you create them for somebody else, then you don't really need to separate it for each account. App. You can just put it in the account because it's just temporary anyway. And then you're going to take yours out and put in whoever buys the app. But I don't know how long I'll keep these, so I like creating separate secrets for the app. Oh, we still need to get the specific. Whoop. Let me pause you right here. So, oh man. So you see, I wanted to know exactly what is going to call this name. You need to have this exactly correct for what they expect. And so then I got that label, put the key in there, and then click on create key, and then it's going to fall to the bottom of the list, and now you in there. Current just went off, so I don't even know if I'm still recording. Oh, let's see. Wi-Fi. Well, our electricity went off. I hope you guys are still there. You see what it says here? That's exactly what the app is looking for. So that's why we want to make sure we get the exact name that it's expecting. So far, so good. Now, let's continue. I wasn't able to get into my AWS account. I think I will create, and they send the password to the other phone. I have no idea what the other phone is, except for that it's in the United States somewhere, because that's why I lost it at. But I'm just going to go ahead and create another account, but I'm going to do that later. Right now, I'm using SendGrid, as you have figured out by now. By the time they, by the time the trial is over, I may switch over to AWS, or at least I might use AWS for other projects. Everything is cheaper in AWS because of scale. AWS is Amazon's cloud storage. Oh, I do got another domain too, though. Let's see, what's the other one? Modeling firm. Modeling firm. Because I'm sure Model Connect is gone. So what I did was I took the Cloudflare API and put that in there as well. That's why I'm able to manage those domains from Cloudflare over there. There was another. Well, I ain't even. I did have some other domain names in mind as well. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and snatch it. And you know I got to do Puerto Plata models.com. And what is Cloudflare talking about, man? All right, so let's sorry, let's get back over here. Uh, what else do we need to do? Not adding go high level right now. Going lightweight to test traction. As long as we can send messages right now, man, I got to go, good. Get me some coconut water. Preview. Oh, I like it. Beach models meet creative professionals, the ultimate destination where beach models showcase their portfolios and photographers, brands, content creators discover stunning talent. Hey, what y'all think? Looks kind of nice, right? It's simple and focus on the core functionality. They'll let me check if the messaging system actually works and fix any critical issues blocking the basic features. So you seen what it looked like right there. I'm going to stop the clock and I got to get up out of here. I'll catch y'all tomorrow.